Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free $200 PayPal gift cards every day automatically. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And hit that like button for me. It's going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out my video to go viral. And please, if you have any questions about this method, drop a comment down below. Now guys, I have an Instagram page, and I want you to go check that out after this video, of course, and follow me. I'm trying to get my follows up on there. I have a lot of good information that you guys can check out. And if you have any suggestions on videos you want me to make in the future, please drop a DM. Or if you just want to say hi, just drop a DM for me. I really would appreciate it. Alright, now please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, I want you to type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. All right, family, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Drummo. So on this website, you're going to get paid for your opinion. You're going to make your voice heard. You're going to earn cash for sharing your opinion in paid online surveys and completing offers. And check this out, guys. Cash out in 24 hours via PayPal and gift cards. All you do is click right here, sign up with your email. And right here is just some testimonies of people who trust this site. So this person right here says one of my favorites so far. I've already cashed out $5 to my PayPal and received the money in 24 hours. Thank you. And as you can see here, 6.8 million is the value of rewards they've been giving out, guys. 6.8 million. Now, I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, guys, I'm inside my account. And as you look over here to your left, this is your surveys area. So if I have some surveys, it'll pop right up here. And click right here is offers. So here are all the offers. Now check this out, guys. You're going to love this. All you have to do is just sign up. Sign up at a website, and look how much you're going to get. $7, guys. And if you want to install an app, check this out. $25. You can just install the app and remove it later if you don't want to give, if you don't like the app, if you don't like the game. And here's one for $20. Here's another one for $20. Installing the game right here. $12, $8.75. So guys, they have a lot to offer on this website, and these are not just these regular surveys or regular download apps and you get pennies. These are dollars, double digits. Now, Also over here on the left hand side, they have activity. It's going to show your balance once you click on activity. And then when you click on rewards, right here it's going to show the rewards you can get. So if you don't want to get PayPal, you can also get iTunes, Google Play, Amazon. And check this out, guys, for us that PayPal gift cards. $2, $1, $5, $10, $20. And as you download all those apps, guys, you can easily get $100 to $200 with no problems at all. And like I said earlier, you're going to get paid within 24 hours. Isn't that something, guys? So that's all I'm going to say about this website. It's a very good website. I think you're going to love it. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this PayPal money and get these PayPal gift cards, go ahead and go to Dramo.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, guys, one more thing before I go. I do shout outs in all the videos. Well, I'll try to do shout outs in all the videos I put up here. So how I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I just flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you keep watching my videos, and if you're sharing them, keep sharing them. And if you're hitting that like button, keep hitting that like button and keep dropping those comments. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you. Road to 7,000 is coming very soon. Let's get there. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.